you doing over here? I wanna know. I need some lessons. I need some cooking lessons. I need some cooking lessons.
Yeah, just removing the garlic. The laugh will finish me. English. It's going to be the laugh. I'm appealing. Then I. Yes. Hey, can we do this next time?
I gotta. This is my cooking lesson class. I gotta get the video so I can go back and study.
Hey.
So you mixing garlic and ginger.
Then I will pound. And then I will pound it to be soft, and then I put in the meat at least to remove some of the smell, like the smell of the meat.
Okay.
Yeah.
So flavoring it up.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. See, I'm gonna help you. I'm here to help.
Welcome to Saidah.
Let us know. Let our YouTube community know. What is it we're doing here? Okay, we're not going to tell them. All right, guys, guess in the comments, what is this that Maggie is working with here? Because I thought it was one thing and it was not that. So leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know what you think it is, and I will tell you what it is. I'll tell you if you're right or you're wrong. So I thought these were like red beans, like kidney beans. But what are these actually?
Peanuts.
Peanuts, y'all.
Call them groundnuts.
These are ground nuts, y'all, so you can eat them.
Yes.
Take it. Tastes like a real peanut.
It's a peanut. You can make peanut butter with this.
You make peanut butter with this.
Yes.
Tastes fresh, tender, earthy. So you bought all of these from the market?
Yes. Yes, I did.
And then you just pick out all of the ones that are kind of like dry?
Yes.
And
those
then
that are spoiled.
Spoiled and dry.
Yes.
So I will know if they spoiled or dry if they look like this.
Yes, the ones that are shriveled, because when you cook them, they'll become bitter. Not just this ones, even these ones. There's another one. This ones, once they are cooked, they'll.
Okay. So take out anything that doesn't look like nice and pretty.
Yeah.
So then after you sort through all of them, and I'm gonna help you sort in a minute. I'm gonna see if I can pick the right ones.
Okay.
Okay. So after you sort through them, then what do we do after that?
We'll salt them.
Oh, salt them?
Yes, with a little bit of water. Then I'll leave them for about an hour. Sort of marinate them.
Okay.
With the salt and a little bit of water, and then I'll cook them in the oven.
And then what?
And then that's it. Then they'll be ready
To make peanut butter or?
to eat. But even after that, you can use it for peanut butter.
Okay, so are they gonna be dry or wet?
Dry.
Okay, like regular peanut butter, peanuts.
Yes.
Oh wow. All right, Americans, listen up, American ladies. Y'all know we go to the store, we just buy the peanuts already ready in the store. This is official, making your peanuts from scratch from home. Ain't that something? Let me go see what Saidah is doing. She done snuck off, but I wanted to see her grounding up these herbs. I'm back. I am back. So what do you call this thing here?
Hey, Maggie, kinu inaitwaje kwa English? Maggie, kinu
We call it a
inaitwaje kwa
mortar.
English?
Oh, okay, we call it a mortar
Mortar,
too.
yes.
Okay. So Saidah's
Of ginger and garlic.
I gotta give you one of these.
Ginger and garlic.
Yeah, it makes the work easier. Yes, and then you bind it like this.
So this makes the work easier. The blender wouldn't make it even easier, or a food processor.
But ginger in the blender, the ginger is more
Stringy.
hard
Yeah.
compared to garlic.
Okay, so this is better.
Or if you can use the grater.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But this one is much easier.
It's much easier because it's both 2 in 1.
can tell that's gonna be good. I can tell. Well, I'm getting my cooking lessons today. You got me, Maggie?
Yes.
They can see it's me helping.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm making peanuts. I had a question. How do you make the kale? So like if you want to make something with kale, how do you do that? Like if, what do I use, collard greens or kale? Like the one you said with the sour cream, how do you make it?
Oh, the one for the sour cream.
Yeah.
If you get the traditional one, you first have to boil it.
Boil,
and then-
so chop it first?
Not chop it. You have to chop it first. Some
Okay.
you can chop, others they don't chop because the leaves are very tiny.
Okay.
Wash it, then boil it a bit, maybe steam it.
So just put it in a pot with nothing else. Put it in a pot with nothing else. Just put the kale in the pot.
Yes.
No water, anything.
With a little bit of water to steam it.
Okay. So put a little bit of water to steam it,
Yes.
and then steam it for about how long?
Maybe 5 minutes.
Okay, until it gets a little bit soft.
Yes.
Okay.
And then after that, you can use the same pot or another pot. Then take your onions, your oil, fry your onions, the tomatoes,
Okay.
then the vegetables. and
Which
then-
veg? Oh, the kale.
Yeah, the kale.
So-
The other vegetables that I was telling you about, the traditional ones.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So put the kale in the pot. Let it steam down a little bit. Then take it out of the pot, and then I can use the same pot. Put a little bit of oil.
Yes.
And then chop up onion. You said, and what else? Garlic.
No.
Just onion.
No, yes.
And tomatoes.
And tomato and salt.
Onion, tomato, and salt.
Yes.
And then like saute it a little bit, right?
Yeah, saute it a little bit.
Okay.
Then you can put the veggies inside. Stir.
Okay.
Then the sour cream.
Oh, you put the sour cream right then. Okay, and then just kind of stew it down for how long? Maybe. Is it like 20 minutes?
No.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes. And so I don't need to chop it because it always seems like it's so chopped up
You
fine.
have to chop before you fry it.
Okay.
Say hello.
Thank you, Yeah. So this is showing me all the names for the vegetables. Nyanya. I forget that one sometimes. So now Maggie is salting the peanuts, and she added like a little sprinkle of water to it. Yeah, it's gonna marinate the peanuts. I can't just show them the cooking part. I gotta show them what she came up with. Yeah.
In a clay pot.
Yes, meat cooked in a clay pot. Looks so delicious. And you said beef stew, and this is, you said kachumbari?
Kachumbari is
This, kachumbari. And what's this? The cabbage and the
cabbage and
carrots.
cabbage, carrots, dania. Dania, which is parsley.
Dania. Kachumbari with chili peppers. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. You know what time it is. Go ahead and like, subscribe to our channel, and leave any comments you may have down in the comment section below. We'll catch you guys in the next video.